Yeah, good morning. Good morning.
So these problems, which was given as homework, are pure quadratic equation format. They are not affected. They are pure, which means you don't have the value for bx, where b is equal to 0. So if you see this first one, it is ax square. Usual form is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, correct? But in this format you don't have this. You only have ax square, that is 1x square minus 25 is equal to 0. So these are form pure quadratic equation forms. Okay, so let us solve these questions which I gave yesterday. Yeah, many of them have solved good, but few problem, one problem I think many of you have got confused. So that is why let us solve these problems once. Okay, so let us start. So firstly it says solve x square minus 25 is equal to 0. This is very simple problem, as you have all solved it. X square is equal to minus 25 will go to the other side, so it is plus 25. Then x is equal to, when square root is there or to the one side, and if it goes to the other side, it's going to become square root of 25. And what is square root of 25? Square root of 25 is 5, but it is plus or minus. So therefore x is equal to plus 5 or x is equal to minus 5. So this is the first answer. So I hope everybody got this first question answer, since it is very easy. Right? Okay. Now let us go to the next problem, that is 4x square minus 25 is equal to 0. Okay, this is also similarly very easy. So 4x square minus 25 is equal to 0. I'm taking 25 to the other side. So 4x square is equal to 25. Then x square is equal to 4 will come to the other side. Yeah, correct, Pujna. Yeah, Lakshmi, your answer is also right. Okay, so 25 by 4. So x square means to the other side it's going to become 25. Square root of 25 by 4. Okay, just let me rewrite this part. X is equal to square root of 25 by 4. So x is equal to plus or minus 5 by 2. So what will be your x values? Therefore, x will be plus 5 by 2 or minus 5 by 2. Okay, no doubts, right? Until here? Yes or no? Any doubts you have? Okay. So this question, what is the answer that you got? 3x minus x is equal to 0. Did you get any answer for this? Okay, you've got plus square root of plus 1 by 3 minus 1 by 3. Okay, I don't know how you've got this, because you're supposed to take the common here. You're supposed to take common. So even if you take x as common outside, you will have 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is how you have to solve. Have you solved it like this by taking it common? Or did you just take x to the other side? By taking common. Okay. Fine. So such problems when you have two things given here, that is 3x minus x. Actually, this problem has a number missing. Okay, we will solve that once again. Okay, so 3x minus x is equal to 0. Here what will happen is, let's say we are taking x as common. 3x square minus x is equal to 0. Taking x as common. Since it is first problem, I'm writing it. So if you take x as common, you will have 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, which in return means x is equal to 0 or 3x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, so x is equal to 0 or 3x is equal to plus 1. X is equal to 0 or x is equal to 1 by 3. Is this how you got it? Okay, Aishwarya is not able to hear my voice properly. Others, are you all able to hear me? Okay, Aishwarya, there might be some network issue from your side. Just log out and log in once again. Maybe that will work. Yeah, thank you. So this is how you got the answer. X is equal to 0 and x is equal to 1 by 3. Great. Now, the last problem which I gave as homework, that is 15x square plus 20x. This is also in the similar format. Many of you have tried many other ways. I think I saw one or two books where they have tried it very differently and they got stuck. So just take the common. Just take out the common here also. So let us write down the question. 15x square plus 20x is equal to 0. So what can I take as common? Here I took x as common. So what can I take as common? Padmapriya says 5x. Good. So I'll take 5x as common. So what will be remaining? Yeah, correct, Punit. 5x. So Gauri already gave the answer. 4 by 5 or 4 by 3? Yeah, correct, Pujana. Gauri, check the answer once again. That's not the right one. Okay, so 5x if you take out, 5 3s are 15. So I'll have 3x inside plus 5 4s are 20. 3x plus 4 will be there is equal to 0. So what will happen? Now I can divide this. So 5x is equal to 0 or 3x plus 4 is equal to 0. Now x is equal to 0 by 5, which is nothing but x is equal to 0, or 3x is equal to minus 4. 3x is equal to, sorry, x is equal to minus 4 by 3. So x is equal to 0 or x is equal to minus 4 by 3. Is this the answer everybody got? Okay, good. So yeah, let's go further. And so we were solving this problem yesterday, right? So let us resolve this problem. This is very important. Okay, so listen carefully. So this is the first problem under factorization method. So under advected equations, advected form of equations, we were solving the factorization method. Okay, so in this, whatever equation you get is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. Now let us define the values of a, b and c here. So A is equal to 1, B is equal to -4, C is equal to 3. Okay, so these are the values that we get. Now multiply A into C, which is nothing but 1 into 3 is 3. Now you should find the factor in such a way that the addition or subtraction of the numbers should give you the value of B. Okay, so if you see 3 is a prime number, so 3 will be divisible by 1 or the number itself. So these are the only two options I get to do the factorization. So I will take 1 as well as 3. But now I have to be careful with the sign. Now which sign should I take here so that I get -4 for the value of B? So that is what is very, very important for us to consider. Okay, so if I take -1 and -3 here, okay, so if I take -1 and -3, I would get -4, correct? So -1 -3, I would get -4. I'll just retain the sign and I will add the numbers. So let us rewrite that equation in a different format now. Now what is the different format that we will be writing is that ax square, sorry, we'll start with the question. X square minus 1x minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. So this question is being written in the new format. But at the end of the day, when I add -1 -3, I will get -4x only. Okay. Now, so that is the first step. Now, after this, I am going to take the common in the equation. So I'm going to divide the equation into two parts, that is first two and the next two. Okay. So what is the common in first two? Can anybody say what is the common in the first two? X is common. So I can take X as common, which means another X will be remaining. Correct. X is common. So X minus 1 will be the remaining issue or remaining number. So X is taken as common. Okay. Next, on to the other side, X minus 1. Okay, 1 second. Wait a second. Yeah. X minus 1 is taken as common to the other side also. Now, what will happen? I can take -3 as common outside. I can take -3 as common. How did I get -3 as common? If I take -3 as common, now multiply. 3 into x is -3x. -3 into -1 is +3. I will get back the same expression. So you have to do this little calculation if you get confused while taking the common. Okay. So now I have got two expressions, that is not, sorry, 1 second. That is nothing but x minus 1 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. Correct, Lakshmi. Did you all understand till here? I took or I factorized the C, A into C, so that I get the value of B. I get the value of B. And then in this step, I rewrote the whole equation saying x square minus x 1x minus 3x plus 3 is equal to 0. And I took x as common. So x minus 1 is remaining. Again, I took -3 as common. So x minus 1 is remaining. So I have two expressions, that is x minus 1, only once you have to write, and then remaining x minus 3 is supposed to be written again. Okay, so this is until here. Now, after this, we are going to equate each of these expressions with 0. So x minus 1 is equal to 0, correct Lakshmi, and x minus 3 is equal to 0. When I equate them with 0, I will be able to derive the values of x. So therefore, x minus 1 is equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x is equal to 1 or x is equal to 3. So this will be the final answer. So if you see, x has two values. X will have two solutions because the degree of the equation is 2. That is why it is called as quadratic equations. Everybody understood? Great. Now we shall go to the next question. Okay, the next question is x square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Firstly, we will derive what is a, b and c. Okay, now say me what is a? 1. Okay, what is b? 1. What is c? Minus 6. Now if I multiply a into c, 1 into minus 6, I'm going to get minus 6 as the answer. So this minus 6 should be factorized in such a way that the addition or subtraction of it, I should get the value of b, that is 1. Now say me in tables, where all can I get 6? Correct. 2 3s are 6. 2 3s are 3 2s are. That is the only option we have. 3 into 2. 2 into 3 and 3 into 2. Now if you see them, 2 and 3 difference is also 1. But one of the number should be minus. Correct? One of the number is supposed to be minus. Now what we will do is, yeah, 3 into 2. Okay, everybody are saying minus 3 into plus 2. 3 2s are 6. So let us see. 3 and 2. You can actually take plus 3 minus 2 also. One of the number should be minus. If you take minus 3 plus 2, you'll get minus 1. Correct? You'll get minus 1. Greater, yeah, that is what is happening here. So if you take minus 3 and plus 2, greater sign, greater number sign is considered. So it will become minus 1. So you cannot take minus 3 plus 2. You are supposed to take 3 and minus 2. Now if you see, you will get plus 1 because the greater number has plus sign. Did you all understand? Good that everyone is participating so that your doubts will get cleared and confusions will not be there. Yes, everybody understood. So be careful with the sign. The greater number sign will be considered. Correct. Your point is right. But then what are you supposed to do with that greater number? So which sign should be there? We will take plus for 3 and minus for 2 so that we get plus 1. We are supposed to get plus 1. But when you multiply them here, 3 into minus 2 is still minus 6 only. In multiplication, it is minus 6 only. When it comes to addition, subtraction, then we will check that greater number sign. Okay. Now, we have got, yeah, correct, Ashwini. We have got this. Now, let's go for the next step quickly. Now, in the next step, we will rewrite the equation x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6 is equal to 0. Good. Many of them have got the answers. Good. So now what can I take as common? I can take x as common. So x plus 3. I get x plus 3 as the remaining. So other side also I should have x plus 3 which is to be remaining. Correct? So here what can I take? Can I take minus 2 as the common is equal to 0. Now in the next step, x plus 3 and what is remaining? X minus 2 is equal to 0. Next, x plus 3 is equal to 0 or x minus 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus 3 or x is equal to 2. This is gonna be your answer. Like everyone have got. X is plus 3 and x is plus 2 and minus 3. Everybody understood? Anybody has any doubt in such problems? But never forget to multiply A into C. Okay, so because not every time you will have 1 as the number, you will have many other numbers also. Okay, now let's go to the next problem. Now will you try this problem? Give it a try and we will solve it again, but you first give it a try. X is equal to 5, x is equal to 3. Good, Lakshmi. Lakshmi is very fast. No problem. Others take your time. Maybe she's just fast and working out and getting things done, but very good. I appreciate that. Punit got the answer. Padma Priya also got the answer. Very good. Yashashwini, Pujana. Great. Spurti, it is not minus 3, my dear. It is plus 3. Okay, just check that sign. Maybe somewhere you have missed out the sign. Yeah, Anusha, correct. Correct answer. Gauri, Kirtana. Yeah, correct, Kirtana. Good. Okay, so let us solve this quickly then. Since many of you have solved it, others also please solve it. Sushmita, correct answer. Sahana also, yeah, correct. Rajalakshmi, correct. Very good, Tanushri. Many of them are solving it. Very happy. Okay, so now what is A? A is equal to 1. Yeah, correct, Suprita. Bhavya, correct. B is equal to minus 8. C is equal to 15. So A into C is nothing but 1 into 15, which is 15. So 15, what are the factors that you will get? 5 threes are 15. Okay. 5 into 3. Now you should get minus 8. So to get minus 8, 3 5s are 5 threes are both you can take. To get minus 8, 5 and 3 should be added. But if you add plus and plus, you will not get. No, Aishwarya, there's little confusion. Punit, you're correct. Okay. Be careful with the signs. If you take 5 plus 3, you will get plus 8. If you take 5 minus 3, you will get 2. If you take minus 5 plus 3, what will you get? Minus 2. Correct? But if you take minus 5 minus 3, you're going to get minus 8. Now, what is required for us? We require minus 8. If you're getting confused, if you're getting too much confused, try out like this. Try out the variations like this, where you will get the proper answer. And then you can do the factorization. This is not compulsory. If you're getting confused too much, you're not knowing what to do, then you can use this technique. So now our factors are minus 5 and minus 3. So let's rewrite the equation. So the equation will be x square minus 5x minus 3x plus 15 is equal to 0. So next I can take x as common. So x minus 5 will be remaining. So this side also x minus 5 will be remaining. So what can I take as common? What is the common number I can take? I can take minus 3 as common. Okay. Now is equal to 0. So x minus 5 into x minus 3 is equal to 0. So x minus 5, okay, sorry, 1 second. X minus 5 is equal to 0, or x minus 3 is equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to 5 or x is equal to 3. This is going to be our answer. Very good. Everybody got the answer. Next question. Try. Firstly, you have to get this into ax square plus bx in plus, sorry, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So first get it into the format and then you can start solving. Okay. Rewrite the question again. Rewrite the question again. X square minus 2x. If plus 15 comes to the other side, it will become minus 15 is equal to 0. Okay. Now start. A is equal to 1, B is equal to minus 2, C is equal to minus 15. So A into C is equal to 1 into minus 15 is minus 15. Again, you will have to take some other number. Yeah, or 5 threes are. Yeah, you can still take 5 threes are. 3 fives are, 5 threes are. Both you can take. Okay, you already got the answer. Minus 3 and plus 5. Padma Priya and Bhavya, no, it is not 2 and 3. Please do check. You cannot get 2 and 3. It should be 3 and 5, and x is minus 3 and x is plus 5. Correct, Punit. Yeah, Kirtana is also correct. Aishwarya is correct. Just check a little sign. This confusion happens. There's no problem. The more you practice, the more you will get the right answers. Okay, let's finish the problem. So now minus 3, minus 5 and minus 3. So let us take minus 5 and plus 3 here as the factors. Okay, so let us rewrite the equation. X square minus 5x plus 3x minus 15 is equal to 0. So x is common, x minus 5 is remaining. Here also x minus 5 is remaining. So what should I take? Plus 3 I should take. Okay, is equal to 0. So okay, x minus 5 and x plus 3. Do not skip any step. In hurry, do not skip any step. Okay, please write all the steps. Correct. Many of them, yeah. Now Padma Priya got the answer. Pavan correct, minus 3. Bhavya also correct. Okay, so x is equal to, so final answer is, therefore x is equal to 5 or x is equal to minus 3. Nice. Everybody understood? Is it fun to solve the equations? Yeah, correct, Bharat. X is equal to 5, x is equal to minus 3. Yes, enjoying. Great. So, next problem. See, I will give you some more problems to solve because you have to get, completely expert in finding the factors. Okay. Now, let's see the next problem. Now, in this problem, A is equal to 2, B is equal to minus 11, C is equal to minus 21. Okay. So, if you see this, now, A into C is equal to 2 into minus 21. So how much will be your answer? Minus 42. Now, find the factors in such a way that you get 42 as answer. You know how to find the factors? Give it a try. Let's see what factors you will be able to find. Now, since it is 42, check with the tables. The difference between two numbers should be 6 sevens, but do you get 11? 6 and 7, if you add, you will get more. You will get 13, right? So find some other factor apart from 6 into 7. Y is equal to 3 and y is equal to 2 by 7. No, Padma Priya. First, find the factors. Apart from 6 into 6 sevens, what other place? You can go to the tables of, 12, 13, 14, 15. Those tables also you can find. 14 into 3. Good. Pujana, Gauri, yeah, you're coming to the form. See, understood? Don't just sit with the tables until 10. You can have any other number also. So 14 into 3. Let us try 14 into 3. So 14 and 3. Now how much should I get? I'm supposed to get minus 11. Okay. So if I take, no, what should be the sign so that I get minus 11? I shall take minus 14 plus 3. Yes, I will get minus 11. Yes. If I do minus 14 minus 3, I will get 14 minus 17. This is not possible. If I take 14 minus 3, I will get plus 11. This is also not possible. And normally 14 plus 3 will be 17. This is also not possible. So what is the correct sign? Minus 14 and plus 3. So let us rewrite the equation now. Now we will be able to solve. Now find and say me the answer. Minus 14 plus 3. This should be the factors. Y is equal to 7 and y is equal to minus 3 by 2. Very good. Yeah, correct, Padma Priya. Lakshmi, correct. Yes. Now let us rewrite the equation quickly. So you will have 2y square minus 14y plus 3y minus 21 is equal to 0. So what can I take as common? I can take 2y as common. Y minus 7 will be there. Then again here also y minus 7 I want. So I will take 3 as common is equal to 0. So y minus 7, 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. Y minus 7 is equal to 0 or 2y plus 3 is equal to 0. So Therefore, y is equal to 7 or 2y is equal to minus 3, y is equal to minus 3 by 2. So this two are my answers. Very good. Many of them are able to solve. You're participative. Very happy about that. Please continue that. Okay. Now, next, see, the more problems we solve, the more you'll be able to come through the factors. Okay. So now let us solve this problem. But before solving this, any doubts until here? Any problem anywhere you have confusion? Good. Okay. Now let us solve this problem. Here, define what is ABC. A is equal to 9, B is equal to minus 22, C is equal to 8. Right? Okay. Now, A into C is nothing but 9 into 8, where you'll get 72. Now, can you find the factors? A is equal to 9 minus 8, 8. Gauri, what are you trying to say? I'm not able to get you. Okay, you gave me the numbers. Okay, fine. Okay. 18 into 4. 12 into 6. 12 into 6, do you get 22, Punit? Check that. 12 and 6, you get 18. Okay, okay. 18 into 4. Okay, many of them are saying me 18 into 4. Good.